Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get shift lock and steal a Brainrot Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, log into Roblox and search for the Steal A Brainrot experience. Once you find it, go ahead and launch the game. After the game has fully loaded, press the escape key on your keyboard to open the in-game menu. From here, move to the top of the menu and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see an option called Shift Lock Switch near the top. All you need to do is turn this option on. Once enabled, click Resume to return back to the game. Shift Lock is now active. When you hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, you'll be able to move your camera using your mouse while keeping your character facing the same direction. This makes movement, combat, and overall control much smoother, especially during fast-paced gameplay. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get shift lock in Steal a Brainrot Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.